Oh shoot! That is scary. It's stopping. Dude. Oh my god.
This is exciting, Corey.
I know it. He wants to be storm season.
Alright. Watch it.
Oh my gosh.
Get the rotation in the clouds.
This is so exciting.
Please go.
It's touching over there. I want to collect one of those gold.
Fuck, don't be tearing my car up.
Oh snap! I hope we all have tornadoes.
It's freaking tight.
Look at that.
Holy shit.
Oh man, I am scared.
Alright, goodbye. I'm tired of hearing that shit. Then get the hell out of here.
I am so exhausted. Where are you going?
We're gonna upload it to 9 News.
How I know why those movies excite me so much.
How do you upload stuff?
I'll do it later.
We gotta be the first ones to upload to 9 News. It's going way over there.
Alright. I'm gonna get
Damn.
You want to go get your car?
Where am I gonna put it?